Beautiful Central Park, Upper West Side block. Central Park. Okay, this is a rather large one-bedroom, heart of the Upper West Side. Okay, W80s. This bedroom can fit a king size and a queen size. You have to add about 10% more to what you see on the video because the video kind of shrinks the size. But you can hear the echo, my voice, kind of get a sense of the size. So definitely can fit a king size bed, queen size, and furniture. You have the stacked closet here, an additional window here. Okay, get the perspective of the bedroom. Large window there, so it gets a lot of light actually. Okay, let's proceed into the rather large living room. It's a rather large living room. This apartment can be converted to a two-bedroom easily. Put a wall right here, a separation, and you still have space for a living room, or if you just wanted to, if you want the location and the amenities, then this can work also. You can put a wall right here and convert that into a bedroom. Okay, it's got enough space there. It's about equal size as the bedroom. Let's proceed. Look at this beautiful eat-in kitchen. Stainless steel, granite countertop, marble floor, have space for a table. Easily can put a table there. Okay, let's proceed. Let's go to the bathroom. But before we do, we have another closet here. Hallway closet, linen closet, pretty spacious. Okay. Your entrance door to the apartment there. Nice touch. Okay. Here's your bathroom. Shower. Okay, so there you have it. Beautiful apartment. Granite countertop, stainless steel appliance, eat-in kitchen, large living room that's easily flexible to a bedroom. Contact me, I'd love to show you this apartment.